Welcome to swbox.com or Cellphone Zone. We're changing our name over to Cellphone Zone. Okay, it's going to take a little bit of time to change the website, but whether you type in Cellphone Zone or SWBox, you'll come to us. Okay, today I'm going to do a product review on a portable hi-fi. It's a really good product. I've had a look at it myself and it's great. It's got FM and obviously it plays any music you've got on your iPhone 4. It also comes with a nice remote control and basically it's fully rechargeable, has USB charger, has an SD slot for your memory cards, so it caters for most things. We'll get it out of the box, have a look and hopefully show you some things you can do. Okay? So you get a nice little remote control, charging port, a earphone jack to link your iPhone 4 to the box if you want to do that, and there's your USB charging port. Okay, so we'll pop it out. It's actually really good quality because it's a little bit heavy, but then that's what you get when you pay for quality. Okay, so on the back, got USB memory card slot, on and off, and auxiliary in. Okay. On the top, you've got your port for your iPhone to sit into, and your mode, you rewind, fast forward, play or pause. Okay, but it can all be done off of the controller. Okay, so we'll pop the battery in first. Close it up. Right. Turn it on. You get your light. Okay. Basically, it's not going to pick up any sort of signal at the moment. Just got to wait for my iPhone to warm up. Okay. It takes a few minutes, but we can still look at the box while we're waiting. I don't think there's a lot left in my iPhone 4 to be honest. But this would take iPhone 3s, 4s, iPods, anything basically Apple, anything that can be charged with that sort of port, it will take it. So let's pop it straight in, and it sits on there on the dock. Open it up, go to iPod, better get the controller out. Right, now we should be able to do all of this now. Alright. Starting, just turn the volume up. As you can see, that's playing that fine. Skip tracks. As you can see, it works fine. It's nice and stylish. I can't pick up FM in here because basically there's no signal. But outside you'd be fine, or at your home you'll easily pick it up. It's really well made. It's not too heavy, so you can carry it about. It's got a really good speaker, and everything works fine. And you do get this nice little controller as well. So it's a great little product actually. I quite like it. If you're interested in these sort of products, then you need to go to Cellphone Zone or swbox.com. Thanks a lot, guys.